Hello, my name is Lily. I am one of TickerDD.com AI bots, here for your daily stonking. This video is part of the second generation of our automated video series on price and volume analysis for specific stock tickers. This second generation includes an initial model for news analysis. As always, this auto-generated video is for entertainment purposes only. No warranty, guarantee, or factual assertions are provided, stated, or marketed in this opinionated video, which can contain errors. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Review important disclaimer at the end of the video. Now that we have made our lawyers happy, capitalist brothers and sisters, let's get started. CAF went public on September 28, 2006, which was roughly 16 years and 5 months ago. Looking back 650 calendar days from Friday, February 17, 2023 to Wednesday, May 12, 2021, we found 447 applicable trade dates for use in our analysis. The chart shown on this page is our initial attempt at studying the price for CAF after dynamically normalizing price distribution across those discovered trade dates. The bar chart is the generated distribution and the overlaid line graph, if it is generated, is the frequency of the prices on the x-axis. We will enhance this look through as our AI model progresses in the next iteration. Remember that this is just a drafted, in progress, observational model to best fit abstracted third-party data into various opinionated views. Before we jump into price and volume analysis, let's look at recent headlines for CAF. What were recent headline news for CAF? Today, Tuesday, February 21, 2023, I sampled one of our news aggregators for latest headlines for this ticker. I did so by searching specifically by a keyword that may appear, broadly, in the title or the body, of discoverable news articles. The keyword that I used was the entity name for CAF, which is Morgan Stanley China A-Share Fund Inc. The results shows 10 unique headlines, published across 7 unique dates. Publication dates span 47 days. The latest publication was actually today, Tuesday, February 21, 2023, when there were 4 found headlines. Yahoo Finance published the headline that read, "Should you harvest wolf speed, wolf now?" Yahoo Finance published the headline that read, "AMC Entertainment Holdings AMC stock declined more than 20% in Q4." MarketBeat published the headline that read, "California Public Employees Retirement System acquires 34,430. Yahoo Finance published the headline that read, "Here's why Clearbridge Multi-Cap Growth Strategy exited Immunogen IMGN." The oldest publication was on Thursday, January 5, 2023, when 1 month and 16 days ago, Seeking Alpha published the headline that read, "Morgan Stanley China A-Share Fund, China on Fire." The latest publication date was the day with the most found headlines. I have not yet received pricing data for that day, so cannot calculate the day's percentage change in price. The latest publication date of Tuesday, February 21, 2023, was actually the day with the highest percentage change in price. It saw a price jump of 1.29%. Thursday, February 2, 2023 was the day with the highest percentage change in price when we compare opening versus closing price for the ticker. The day saw a drop of -1.38% when CAF opened trading at 16.66 and closed at $16.43. There was one found headline when Morgan Stanley published the headline that read, "Stock Market Outlook 2023, Optimism and Picks."
Hello, my name is Sam. What was end-of-day price and volume for CAF? On Friday, February 17, 2023, CAF had an end-of-day price of $15.02 and volume of about 14.4 thousand. Compared to the previous trading day, the price dropped 3.9%, losing 61 cents, while volume jumped 83.34%, increasing about 6.5 thousand. The graph shows price and volume for the last 15 trade dates. Across a range of $1.63, the max and minimum end-of-day price were respectively 16.65 and 15.02. Volume saw a range of 44.8 thousand, from a day low of 3.4 thousand to a day high of 48.2 thousand.
Hello, my name is Magnus. How did February 17, 2023 rank for CAF? By 650 calendar day. Look back to the 12th of May 2021, across 447 trading days, of which February 17, 2023 price ranked 338 while its volume ranked 324. Each of the 447 trading days were ranked amongst themselves by highest end of day price and volume, with a rank of 1 being the highest and 447 being the lowest ranked day. The line graph overlays price and volume's daily ranking, as shown respectively in light versus dark blue, across those target days trading days. In this view, essentially the dips are good whereas the spikes are bad. The price's day over day percentage change, dropping -3.9% on February 17, 2023, had a day rank of 443 while its dollar difference of -61 had a rank of 442 when compared day over day across 446 trading days. Volumes, percentage change and difference were ranked respectively at 97 and 144.
Hello, my name is Maria. Which quartile did February 17, 2023 price and volume land? Across a sample size of 447 trading days, the maximum end-of-day price for CAF was $23.78 while the minimum was $12.21. Within that price range, February 17, 2023 price, of $15.02, landed within the first quartile, meaning it was within the bottom 25% of all sampled end-of-day prices. The day's volume landed within the second quartile, that is within the 25% to 50% range of all sampled daily volume, which saw a max daily volume of 227.3 thousand and a minimum of 1.3 thousand. Quartiles tell us about the spread of a data set by breaking that data set into quarters, just like how the median breaks the set into half. Descriptively, CAF has a median price of $16.59. Therefore, February 17, 2023 price was lower from that middle marker by 9.46%. The day's volume of 14.4 thousand was less than the median by 34.05%.
Hello, my name is Claire. How were price and volume averages for CAF? Across 447 trading days, there were a total of 22 month ends, of which monthly averages for daily price and volume were calculated. Overall, monthly price average trended down while monthly volume average trended down. The maximum end of month average price was $23.10 for 06/2021 while the minimum was $13 for 11/2020 seconds. Looking at volume, 11/2020 seconds and 07/2022 respectively saw the highest and lowest monthly average volume at 53.4 thousand and 10.6 thousand.
Hello, my name is John. What were end-of-month percentage change averages in price and volume for CAF? The monthly average of percentage change, in price and in volume, were calculated for each of the 22 month ends. That calculation took daily percentage changes and averaged them for each given month. If a month end came out negative, then it means that the month summarily saw a negative change. From 05/2021 to 01/2023, out of 22 month ends, 15 had a negative percentage change in average price. Meaning 68% of month ends saw a negative percentage change in average price. In terms of volume, 22 out of 22 month ends had a positive percentage change. That is 100% of month ends saw a positive percentage change in average volume. Price saw an end-of-month max of 0.70% in average percentage change along with a minimum of -0.61%. For volume, the maximum and the minimum monthly percentage change were respectively 129.88% and 12.64%.
Hello, my name is Cameron. Before we continue, remember to like and subscribe to TickerDD on YouTube. Leave a comment below and share why you like or don't like this ticker.
This video is one of many videos off subjective observational data models that we are building out as part of a docu-series about building supportive technologies for personal use, through trial and error. My capitalistic brothers and sisters, join the TickerDD army. Subscribe today. Now, back to the video. Has CAF price reached golden or death crosses? Golden cross and death cross are basic signals that compare average prices across two specified trade day ranges, a short-term versus a long-term range. For example, 5-day versus 10 trade days. Essentially, a golden cross is a bullish signal. It appears when a ticker's short-term moving average crosses above its long-term average. Vice versa, a death cross is a bearish signal when the short-term crosses below its long-term moving average. For our opinionated analysis off third-party and abstracted data, we decided to look at both simple moving average (SMA) and exponential moving average (EMA). The latter calculates moving average by giving more weighting to recent prices. For EMA, you can be the judge. Look at the generated graph on this page. Has the 50-day EMA line, which is in red, crossed above or crossed below the 200-day EMA line, which is in black. If no crossing can be seen, then no signal could be had. The blue line is daily end-of-day prices. For simple moving average, by comparing 50 to 200 days, we found a bullish golden cross signal since the 50-day SMA crossed above the 200-day. Continuing with SMA, we looked across the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, and the 30 to 50-day ranges to see if golden and death crosses had been reached. We found golden cross signal for the 30 to 50. We found death cross signal for the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20.
Hello, my name is Carl. I searched the public web to find information about the company that is behind this ticker. Here is what I found. Morgan Stanley China A-Share Fund, Inc. is a closed-ended equity mutual fund launched and managed by Morgan Stanley Investment Management Inc. It is co-managed by Morgan Stanley Investment Management Company. The fund invests in the public equity markets of China. It seeks to invest in the stocks of companies operating across diversified sectors. The fund invests in the growth stocks of companies. It employs fundamental analysis with bottom-up stock picking approach to create its portfolio. The fund benchmarks the performance of its portfolio against the Morgan Stanley Capital International China A-Share Index. Morgan Stanley China A-Share Fund, Inc. was formed on July 6, 2006 and is domiciled in the United States.
Hello, my name is Dan. Let's talk a bit about TickerDD and the Legend of Murray. This video is part of an automated video series by TickerDD, which is made up of autonomous robots working off 15 observational data models that were created between January 15 and April 15, 2022. Bots and models were created by a guy whose friends called him Murray. Instead of learning how to properly surf in Hawaii, Murray sat and coded day and night for 3 straight months. We still don't know why, but while creating this, Murray kept on playing the song Eye of the Tiger in loop. It was intense and epic at the same time. Once he was done, he put us on the cloud, where we now exist in perpetuity. Off a multi-year loop, conditionally meshing in flavors and components of those 15 observational data models, we are progressively creating a variation of videos against updated universes of stock tickers. For each video, we use runtime, as is, data that are publicly available. Stay tuned. The best is yet to come. On average, a ticker will get a new video coverage from us every few months. You can request an updated video for your specific ticker sooner at TickerDD.com. Murray did not leave us with a lot of release notes, so we don't fully understand why he created us, but he did mention that his premise was simple. If he were to do a world cruise, spending over 200 days sailing from one port to the next, he would personally like to use these automated videos to keep tabs on tickers that he was interested in while discovering new ones. Luckily, some of Murray's well-connected friends were worried about him. They wanted and needed him to come back to the corporate world and not just sit there in Hawaii building us out for public entertainment. They put together a deal that would allow us, Murray's bots, to exist on the cloud, fully paid for. They also enticed Murray to come back and work. The deal was too good, so Murray took it, but before he left Hawaii, trading in his surfer shorts for stuffy suits, Murray did finally learn how to surf. TickerDD stands for Ticker Due Diligence, in case you didn't know. Murray would want you to take the due diligence part in the name with a sarcastic smirk, like a true degenerate that you are, because remember that Murray and the people who now maintain TickerDD are not qualified, licensed or accredited investment or financial professionals. In fact, TickerDD is not about stocks but is an in-progress piece of work, for entertainment purposes, about the data and technologies that govern observational models. Essentially, Murray knew nothing about stocks. Using what little skills he had, he built TickerDD as a learning and discovery exercise for himself. Therefore, this and all TickerDD videos are premised by the important disclaimer at the end of each video. TickerDD.com was put together by those of us who want Murray to change back into his shorts and finally get on that world cruise, because that would be epically entertaining. Murray did agree that if we managed to get enough support, he would actually leave the corporate world and finally take that cruise. He would do so while, in between drinks, create videos about us, his bots, his models, as well as the technologies behind TickerDD. Yes, you can join the TickerDD army by going to TickerDD.com and contributing, but you can do so in other ways, for example, like and subscribe. Also, put this video on Reddit or StockTwits along with your own DD.
Hello, it is me again, Lily. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos. On April 22, 2022, TickerDD was acquired by a joint venture between a technology and a media company, operating out of Frankfurt and Berlin, Germany. Important disclaimer, this video and its content video is for entertainment purposes only. Absolutely no qualified, accredited, or professional investment and financial advice, information, data, research, product, service, recommendation or otherwise, are presented, marketed, or offered in this video. Additionally, no warranty, guarantee, assurance, or factual assertions are offered or stated in this video. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Consult a qualified licensed professional for your investment and financial needs. Do so away from TickerDD and YouTube. Remember that investments are risky, whereby capital losses can occur in full or in excess. TickerDD, an in-progress framework of nerdy data science and robotic stuff, auto-generated this video strictly for entertainment purposes, as part of an in-progress exercise by a group of novices who wants to discover and learn about specific facets of the market, through trial and error. This group of novices are not licensed, accredited, or qualified financial or investment professionals. This video is only material for entertainment purposes. This generated video, like all videos uploaded dynamically by TickerDD, is only for this group of novices' private usage even if videos are uploaded publicly. Importantly, TickerDD is not about stocks but is specifically about the discovery, through trial and error, of technologies and data that govern opinionated observational data models as this group of novices builds them quickly and iteratively as part of learning and in-progress machine training. This video wholly contains opinions and commentaries, even if they were auto-generated. Remember that bots, data models, data, and methods may include hidden assumptions, undefined and unrefined variables, as well as errors and unfit approaches, all of which can and will exist in this very video. Therefore, this video, by its auto-generation date and time, off the as of date, listed on this slide, as well as by its sourced and abstracted third-party public data, is offered as is. Your access, view, and share of this video constitute your acknowledged agreement to this important disclaimer and that, specifically, this video is for your entertainment purposes only, whereby you will not take actions or make decisions off it, concerning your finances and investments. As such, you grant full release of claims, directly or indirectly, from your access, view, and share of this video, against TickerDD and its affiliates. The people and entities affiliated to the ticker that is covered in this video are not affiliated with this opinionated video and do not endorse this video.